Problem is that, your lordship.
Serial number 2, the Union of India versus S.K. Roy for the petitioner Sri Shekhar Singh.
Tomorrow you mention day after.
I am appearing for the sole respondent.
आगे जो है,
No.
Yes, what is wrong with the order of the tribunal? Without holding inquiry, you have ordered for recovery of 31,83,846.
I beg your pardon, your lordship.
What is wrong with the tribunal's order? You have ordered for recovery in respect of certain shortage of store material or something like that, without holding inquiry. That can't be. You are required to determine the loss caused to the department in a departmental inquiry after giving a due opportunity of hearing to the petitioner. That has not been given. Therefore, the tribunal has allowed his application. What is wrong with this? And further liberty has been given to hold a fresh inquiry.
Lordship, in this case, I retreat that the brief is
Huh?
not. I retreat that the brief is not with us, your lordship. So I am unable to.
Then don't appear. You have filed wakalat.
Your lordship.
Then without brief, how can you file wakalat?
The case has been marked to us.
Mere marking is sufficient. We will dismiss with the cost.
As a last indulgence, your lordship.
Huh?
As a last indulgence, your lordship, 1 week time may be given.
No, but then we don't have work. Most of the cases are relating to railways.
Sole respondent has superannuated in
Mr.
2013.
Sinha, you must realize
Lordship.
that a bench has been created on Monday.
Lordship.
We are in Wednesday.
Lordship.
And from day before yesterday till today, the same prayer is being made. And half of the cases is from railways.
Lordship.
Unless taking into account the emergent situation, unless you act, the division bench will
Lordship,
it will have futile exercise sitting here.
with great respect, your lordship, the ASG office has written letter.
Same statements since day
Lordship.
before yesterday.
No, who is the railway authority?
The force six.
Zonal
Six-
manager?
6 general managers have been written letter, your lordships.
Give their address, will someone? Give their addresses.
Yesterday, the learned ASG has talked to the GM, your lordship.
Sir, it is an internal communication between you and your officer.
Lordship.
That is nothing to do with this court. This court want only assistance.
Lordship.
General manager respondent number 1 in this matter. Petition number 1 in the matter.
Take help of the other side. Take a brief from them. All the names are there in the
And
the
sole respondent has superannuated in 13
Please,
minutes.
sir, we
आप
are
बैठ-
asking the
I am
petitioner
sorry.
council.
आप बैठ जाइए. Please take help of the other side. Or you, Hajipur is just 20 kilometers from here. Either you go to that place or call them here.
I will take brief from my learned
Telephonic
friend, lordship.
conversation will not suffice.
I will take brief from my
Yes,
learned friend.
all the
lordship.
names are there in the cause list. Take brief from the other side.
Lordship.
We'll dismiss the petition with cost.
As a last indulgence, your lordship, my prayer is.
Sir, each and every case, if you are making say submission, we'll get up at 12 o'clock. Do you think that just because railways cases are there, we are sitting here?
No, lordship.
Then? All tribal issues you are preparing writ petition? What is wrong with the tribunal's order? You are ordered for recovery without holding inquiry? And that has been set aside and liberty has been given to you. What is wrong with this? Will not appeal. same order as in day after.
Serial number 3, the Union of India Analysts
Mr.
versus.
Counsel, you don't advise them to file a petition or not? You don't advise this is a fit case for filing writ petition or not?
Lordship, the previous council has filed order. We are not
Huh?
having any. We are not having any.
No, are you not giving opinion? Whether is it a fit case for filing writ petition or not against the tribunal's order?
The earlier council has given it, Lordship.